we're here with Pardha Reddy.
Hello.
Thank you so much for inviting me. We want to highlight our VIP customers at SuperConstruct. Why don't you tell me a little bit about some of the previous processes that you've done and how that's compared to using SuperConstruct?
Okay. So I work with multiple projects in the construction. So the main difference between SuperConstruct with the AI is one-stop shop. You have your phone, just open SuperConstruct, look at the photos and look at your invoice, pay invoice, submit. You can go next week, you can see previous week photos and it will be saved like from the day one of plans to the day end. You can see each and everything in an order so that there is no need to go. So when you're asking about the comparison, so previously it is something like I used to receive through messaging, WhatsApp, mail, it is all over.
Yeah.
If I need to go back and check, I need to consolidate 100 different things, download, upload and all that. And also it is very difficult. For example, if I am traveling, I need to call from a different country to understand where it is. It's nightmare. It's just a click of an app, I can see it.
That's amazing. I know as a business owner, I know that shuffling from 15 to 30 tabs for multiple projects is you're always juggling multiple as a business owner.
Yeah.
And having to deal with several people and manage several tasks. So tell me about the time saving factor of using SuperConstruct that has massively impacted your life and business.
So when I'm working with multiple clients, like I'm a realtor, I'm referring my clients also. So when I'm working with multiple clients, it is one-stop place. Right? I can just log in and see all my projects at one place. And it is just a click of a button. Navigating is easy. You can just walk through all of them at one place. There is no need to hassle through. Like it is saving all the time, and it is easy and saving lot of time and energy.
Yeah. That's the beautiful thing about combining software and AI. It'll take you by the hand and do a lot of the work for you. A lot of the mundane things. Yeah. Can you highlight any human errors that happened previously that you're like, that won't happen again?
Saving, communicating in 10 different channels, and there is no way to understand which one came first and which one came next. And for example, if I gave some construction at the shell and at the middle of the construction, I don't know how the pictures are the day before. Let us say if I am not able to come for a week because I am traveling, I do not know what happened in between. By the time I come back, oh, where is it, what is it? So now it is something like I can go back to the log and see exactly what happened, and the general contractors uploading the pictures every single day, so that it is some kind of album at the end of the construction from day one to day, and this is where it started, this is where it finished.
Have you gotten to use it for content? Like uploading it to advertise your business and your high level of documenting the project and
yeah, definitely the plans and the pictures and sample diagram that I'm coming up with, I can use it for advertising as a plan, like how it is structured.
Yeah.
As well as I heard from one of my clients saying that he used some of the invoices generated online for the bank loan submission process also. So that is helping them to submit to bank and get the loan. Instead, like asking for, hey, can you send this letter, can you send this invoice? So it is easy, like whenever we receive an invoice, we can clearly see itemized billing kind of thing, what happened and that particular few weeks, what was constructed, what is itemized, like penny to penny it was calculated.
That's excellent. Yeah, so it's like an OCR a little bit. So like you'll upload it and it'll automatically read it and break all the information down.
Yes.
Whoa.
It is not that
so
we are
cool.
calling and asking, hey, what is the expense? No.
Yeah.
It is what you can see everything from day one to end. I have a software background of 25 years, so I know how the software works exactly. This is good and super easy to use, and I definitely recommend this software.
We thank you for your business and we thank you for your feedback. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Blessings to your business.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.